What are you guys doing? What are you doing there? What are you doing under there?
Clarence, are you giving your sissy Biggie hugs?
Hey, Prince.
Are you hugging her or holding her captive? Captive? That's what I thought.
Why don't we let your sister up? She doesn't like this. Okay? Do you want Daddy to do this to you? Huh? Do you want Daddy to hold you down?
Yes, she does. That's not good.